Good day, everyone. My name is Pablo Ariño. I'm Business Development Manager at Sustainable Innovation, and I'm pleased to record this video to further explain the white paper that we developed as part of the capacity building activities of the project, aiming to make it understandable and easy to follow for everyone that is interested in gaining knowledge about the project and its scope. The white paper is divided into 7 different sections that I'm going to go through them to address the main key points that have been already developed. First of all, we will go for an introduction and problem statement. Then we will go for what's the RECYCALYSE ambition. After it, we will go through the RECYCALYSE solutions. We analyze also the main market drivers, and we will also be pleased to explain who is behind RECYCALYSE and who can benefit from the RECYCALYSE solutions. In conclusion, we will also address the main key takeaways for you to get it understandable. We start for the introduction and problem statement by stating and addressing that energy consumption and economic growth are quite linked, and access to modern energy services is essential for human development. With the emergence of growing middle class in developing economies, renewable energies are gaining market share faster than ever before. However, the challenge of needing more energy while reducing carbon emissions persists. The Paris Agreement demands that participating countries reach global peaking of greenhouse gas emission as soon as possible to achieve a climate-neutral world by mid-century. In this context, the storage of sustainable energy is crucial for the future low-carbon energy system. Efficient energy storage is a fundamental pillar of the energy transitions, and procedures from renewable sources in hydrogen are particularly attractive due to its key features, such as the high gravimetric energy density, long-term storage, potentially low cost, and the capability to couple to other sectors like electricity supply or transportation. The water electrolysis has been identified as a promising energy storage method due to its potential to produce hydrogen with a very low associated carbon footprint, as well as the capacity for electrolyzers to provide services such as load response management. However, significant barriers still remain, such as the high capital cost of electrolyzers materials. In this sense, it's clear that technical progress in renewable energy sources for storage will shape the growth and success as a key player in the energy market. The European Union has a high awareness of the importance of changing the energy model of the energy model to reduce CO2 emissions, and hydrogen-based energy storage solution is expected to play a significant role in the future low-carbon energy system as a solution provider for intermittent power supply and demand difference. After conducting this introduction and problem statement, we are pleased to go into detail for the RECYCALYSE ambition. RECYCALYSE is a H2020 funded project with an ambition to provide a new approach for sustainable materials for energy storage with electrolyzers. Their focus is on reducing or eliminating critical raw materials, also known as CRM, through the development of new improved catalysts, as well as recycling, reactivating, and reusing materials. Proton exchange membranes, PEM, electrolyzers have a higher efficiency and flexibility compared to other methods, but they are still face entry barriers. Different entry barriers such as price, accessibility, and performance of electrocatalytic materials. Therefore, RECYCALYSE aims to overcome these barriers to significantly reduce the energy storage cost, increase economic competitiveness, and establish large-scale, low-cost EU energy storage solutions. There are 2 main objectives in RECYCALYSE project. The first is to develop and manufacture a sustainable new electrocatalyst with improved activity and stability for PEM electrolysis, and also while potentially eliminating CRM and substituting the critical raw materials with earth-abundant raw materials. Additionally, they aim to establish a recycling scheme for PEM catalyst, electrodes, and the overall system, reducing Europe's dependence on imported materials.